Hai, Assalamualaikum. Hari ini dalam episod Skin Diaries with Dr. Diana, we have with us here is Cik Nurul Ashiqin Samsuri, merupakan founder kepada projek Fearless yang telah bertapak dari 2016 sehingga sekarang. Ashiqin juga sudah meroka 56 negara hanya untuk mengenali dan belajar lebih mendalam tingkah laku manusia. Dengan frekuensi yang warm ada pada diri beliau, menjadikan beliau disenangi dan mudah didekati ramai. Kepimpinan hebat dari beliau menjadikan Ashiqin dipilih mewakili Malaysia dalam dan luar negara dan telah menerima beberapa award, di antaranya Leader of the Future 2018, there are 4 awards, World Communication Forum, there was Switzerland, dan Relation of the Future 2015. Dan Ashiqin juga merupakan regular guest dan juga selalu visit kita di klinik, dan hari ini dia bersama saya. Saya nak mengucapkan terima kasih Ashiqin. Thank you for coming today.
Oh, thank you, Dr. Diana, for such a lovely introduction. The honor is all mine to be here since I've been your loyal customer since 2020.
Yes. And so we have been taking care of your skin many years since I know you the first time before, kan? And then masa mula-mula you datang tu, actually I remember you know what you wanted. You know what you wanted, and then kita mula-mula buat rawatan. If you don't mind me sharing, facial, and then you did some skin boosters as well, right? And then kita ada juga buat devices treatment. So can you share a little bit about your skin journey and why you start thinking of taking care of you punya kulit?
Oh, okay. My skin journey start very young. If I can be a little bit long lah. Actually, my skin journey bukan start baru-baru. I was raised by a mother who's taking care of our skin since I was very young. Daripada belasan tahun lagi, dia memang very particular about our skin. Cuma it's just that and then she also introduced us to good skincare lah since we were very young. We used SK2 masa tu. So we were like, she was very particular about our skin, about how we present ourselves in general. Cuma after a certain age tu, you know, I'm in my 40s now. After a certain age, the luaran yang kita pakai skincare tu dah tak cukup.
Tidak mencukupi.
I think kan tak cukup.
You find that you perlukan lebih daripada skincare sahaja.
So I feel that my body is not producing ataupun not renewing the cells fast enough. So that's the reason why I came here. Dr. Diana was very kind to basically to what I would say to respect my journey, because I was very hesitant in the beginning. I tak nak cucuk, I tak nak. I was very skeptical also, and I was because there's so many perceptions about it. But Dr. Diana was very respectful of my journey, and she gave me time. What I like about Dr. Diana is that you never push me, so you just suggest, and I went home and do my own research.
Right?
Yes,
you like to do your own research, right?
I jenis suka baca journal, I baca articles, and then dah puas hati baru I will contact Dr. D. I wanted to do
this.
Profilo ke, I want to do PRP ke. After I satisfy my intellectual curiosity, baru I nak buat. And what I love about her is she was very respectful of that. Not many, I would say, klinik would be respectful of that. Dia akan push you, dia tak kira lah unik ke, tak unik ke. Dia akan, I would say hard sell lah. But not with Dr. D. Dr. Diana, I would say that the reason why I stay for 6, so this is my 6th year, I think, was because she has always been very respectful of my hesitation and journey.
I faham masa mula-mula you datang tu, you were a bit like mungkin nervous juga nak try, kan? And then so I also understand that I have to give you time. And I know that you like to do your own research. So hence that's why every time you come we will discuss. Kan? Anyway,
so that's why I feel that because of that you give room for people to liberty also to decide for themselves apa yang sesuai, apa yang tak sesuai. And what I like is that you are also very honest about, you know, benda tu tak payah, tak payah buat. Benda tu necessary baru buat. Then that's what I love about it.
Thank you. And then I want to know, Ashiqin, sebab I think you also do a lot of public events. You also banyak berjumpa orang. Why do you think that it is important for you to maintain a good skin health?
Okay. Let's just be honest. Human being reacted positively to benda yang cantik dan siap.
Yes.
So I would say that no matter what people say that you should show up as yourself or whatever, you cannot deny that especially when you are talking in public. And I always say that to people that because I give public speaking, I speak in public, I owe it to my public to give my best self, to appear as my best self.
Presentable.
And that's not only about my clothing, it's also about how I look in general. Bila skin I okay, cantik, berseri, kita pun rasa nak jumpa orang, we feel more bersemangat. Bersemangat. And I have to say, doctor, since I do all the treatment, I got a lot of positive feedback.
Yes, as you share with me kan?
Positive feedback, macam muka terjaga. And kita pun rasa confident juga. That's why. Like I said, bila kita ni bercakap dengan public, when we are dealing with public, there is a certain, for me, there is certain responsibility for me to look presentable for the public themselves. Macam tu.
And then let's talk about some of the treatments yang you buat. Okay, from the start, facial. What do you think that it has changed your skin from doing all the non-invasive treatment kepada a bit of minimally invasive macam you cakap tadi, Profilo. Then after that doing a bit of treatment with HIFU. How does that progress and how do you see that dekat punya kulit?
I think different treatment have different function.
Yes.
Macam what I did in the beginning was the facial, and I also did, I think, oxygen facial and seed pill. And yang tu dia memang clear up dead skin.
Yes.
Itu first layer. But then again, yang deeper layer macam line kat sini ataupun kat mata, itu tak boleh pakai facial. I assume tak boleh pakai facial saja.
Yes. And you need to address it in a different way.
In a different way. Satu is through skin booster tu. And secondly, macam contoh HIFU tu, what I understand, dia stimulate balik my own collagen untuk address that different part of my face, I feel. So, facial tu pun penting untuk bersihkan muka, but at the same time, the internal ataupun the deeper need to be addressed by different treatment.
Method lah kan?
Different method.
HIFU, basically, Ashiqin, what it does to your skin is, dia adalah high intensity focus ultrasound daripada tenaga gelombang wave bunyi yang daripada dengan the highest speed yang laju, dia boleh menghasilkan tenaga yang boleh membantu dalam reduction of fat dan juga induction of collagen. So daripada situ juga dia membantu you sort of like lift your skin without any surgery. So maybe someone macam Ashiqin yang maybe you tak ada masa untuk nak ada downtime, kadang-kadang you sibuk, and then so this is something that maybe sesuai untuk you, kan? And then satu lagi, recently HIFU banyak teknologi yang baru yang at the same time dia boleh, orang kata, act as a serum delivery. Maksudnya with the HIFU energy, dia boleh bagi sort of like opening channel to infuse serum without injection. So those are the things yang...
So you put serum on your face?
Put serum and then we give the shots. And then after that, that shots open up a channel on your skin to deliver the serum. So that is something that actually happen to your skin masa kita buat treatment tu. And satu lagi, I nak tanya you, apa you rasa after you do all this treatment, how all this has benefited you?
It's benefited me in many ways. Satu is basically, I know that you know, our self of confidence should come from our own inner belief of ourselves.
Yes.
Tapi bila
You
kita
talk a lot about that, right?
Yes,
Yes.
and I'm very big on that. But knowing that we take care of ourselves, that we take action to make an effort to take care of ourselves is also part of the building layers to build our confidence. And I would say that bila I jaga muka I, doktor, tengok result, and apa tu, bila pakai makeup pun rata, and then bila dapat feedback from kawan-kawan, kita rasa good about ourselves.
You feel good about yourself, right?
We feel good about ourselves.
Same.
And I know that there is a lot of negative perception about aesthetic or whatever, because you know, we're supposed to age gracefully. We can age gracefully, but we can also feeling good while aging is inevitable.
Yes.
Tapi kalau I nak age yang muka I glow, cantik, I rasa I jaga, with some support. And for those who still thinking about it or doesn't macam rasa macam nak buat ke tak nak buat, I honestly would recommend to do it. Kalau tak nak yang terlampau invasive sangat tu, boleh try HIFU. HIFU tak ada downtime. You buat, you terus boleh pergi kerja balik, you know.
But also depending on what their needs lah, kan?
Their needs.
Okay. Then satu lagi kan, Ashiqin, sebab I of course I have some of my patients yang pernah tengok your skin, sebab kita buat sometimes we share about your skin, kan, kita ada buat sama-sama, kan, apa yang you rasa, and then sometimes they would ask me, can I do the same treatment yang Ashiqin buat? So what do you think about that actually?
Oh, that means it's working.
What do you think? Do you think that they need the same treatment that you,
or
do you think that everybody is different?
I think everybody is different.
So because it's very important to address.
Because when my friend look at my skin, for example, and they cakap, I nak buat apa you buat, I cakap tak boleh. You cannot do that because you go and see the doctor first. Because
in general, semua orang lah, kan, not just your friend lah, kan.
In general, bukan macam, I'm talking about in general lah. I will always advise doktor lebih tahu what do you need. Sebab kita, mata kasar kita, mungkin kita rasa kulit kita sama je, but when we see on a deeper level, you probably need completely different than I do. And then there are so many types of treatment that being offered at the clinic. So better to ask doctor what is the best for you.
Alright. Thank you so much for coming today, Ashiqin.
You are
Thank you for your time. Thank you for sharing. We have been talking about this for so long, kan?
Yes.
So, lastly, any wise words from you about skincare tips before we end the session? Based on your experience, because you have been in this journey.
Okay, in this journey, I have been in this journey for many years now. I would say that...
Sorry, and you also keep on updating yourself, eh?
Tanya
I kan macam ni.
Treatment tu. Lepas tu, so I would say that kita kalau like my mom, as a woman kan, kalau macam my mom selalu cakap lah, kalau kereta rosak kita pergi repair apa semua benda, buang spend duit apa semua, tapi diri sendiri kita berkira, jangan berkira dengan diri sendiri, you know. Taking care of ourselves is also an investment, and nothing beats our own well-being and the fact that we feel good for ourselves.
Very good advice. Thank you.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you for having me.
Salam.
Salam. You.